Hello everyone. So today we are going to see collection.frequency method. So the collections.frequency method in a Java is a static method provided by this collection clause which is present in java.util package. So it is used to count the number of occurrence of the specified element in the collection. So it is a static method. Its return type is int. This is the method. Here we have to give C is a collection in which to count the occurrence of specified element, and O is the element whose frequency you have to count. Return type is int. So example, here you can see we have a list of fruits and you want to find the frequency of apple. So let me copy this piece of code, and if I go here, Control Shift F, Control Shift O for importing this, import java.util, java.collection. So here what is happening, we have created one list, array list, which is having the fruits apple, banana, apple, orange and apple. Now if you want to find the frequency of apple inside this list, we can use collection class frequency method. You have to pass here the collection name. Here we can see, and the element you want to find the frequency. I want to find the frequency of apple inside the list. So the frequency of apple will be 3 because apple is present 3 times, right? Now let me run this application. I right click on this, run as Java application. If I expand this little bit, frequency of apple is 3, right? Let me do, yeah. So this collection.frequency you can use on a collections. So here first we have seen for list. You can also use it for set. Here is an example. So in the set, duplicate elements are not allowed, so you will get only 1 or 0 frequency. If the element is not present, it will be 0, and if the element is present, it will be 1, as in the hash set the element should be unique. So if you find the frequency of apple, it will give 1, and if you find the frequency of the element that is not present, so let's suppose this PR, it is not present in this hash set, so you will get the output as 0. So if I right click on this and run as a Java application, here we go, frequency of apple is 1 and frequency of PR is 0. Yeah. So let's take also then example of integer, list of integer. We have seen example of list of string. Let's see the example of list of integer. Here what is happening is we are adding 1 to 131. Now here if I want to find the frequency of 1, it should give us a 3. So collection.frequency, the collection here variable name and element that you want to find frequency for is 1. Right click, run as a Java application. Here we go, frequency of 1 will be 3, right? Next we'll go is for the custom object collection. So inside this, like when you are using for the custom object collection, ensure that equal method is properly overridden to count the occurrence correctly. So let's suppose I have a class called person. If I go here, now inside person we have string name and integer age. We have parameterized constructor person which is having the 2 parameter name and age. Then make sure that equals method you have to override, and on which basis you want to find a frequency. So let's suppose in case of integer, it will see 1, like 1 how many times it is present in the list. Now in case of person, here we are overriding equals, right? So what we are doing is, here we will see age and the person name. So let's suppose we have a person object. Inside that we have a name and age. If that person age and name are equal, then we will say that it is equal. Now we have overriding the equals method. Now what I will do is, next we'll add some persons. We'll create a list of persons. We'll add some persons and we'll perform collection dot frequency. Now if I go here, paste here, Control Shift F. So listed of add new person: Alice 30, Bob 25, Charlie 35. So collection dot frequency, we want to find this person with the name Alice and age 30. We should get the frequency as 2. Right click, run as Java application. Frequency is 2. Now what I will do here Alice. So it will not consider in the frequency this one. Why? Because the name is same but the age is different. So we'll still get 2, run as Java application. Here we go, frequency is 2. Now if I want to find frequency where I want to be customize this, what I want is, I want in the frequency it should give the number where the person is having this Alice name. It should not go for 30. Like if it is the person have Alice, it should be counted in the frequency. So what we can do is, inside this equals method, let's comment out this. I will return when object equals name. So we'll see only the person name is equal, then we'll return a true. Right, now we should get here a 3 Java application. Here we go, 3 is coming. Now here why it is happening, we have overridden equals method, and inside equal method what we have done, we are returning 2 if the person name is equal, right? So that's why we'll get here a count as a 3. So the summary of this collection dot frequency is a method is convenient way to count the number of times a specified element appear in a collection. So it can be used with any type of collection including list and set, we have seen the example, and work with the custom object as long as their equal method is correctly overridden. We have seen how we can work with the custom object. So this method is useful for quick frequency analysis in a variety of collection type. So I will provide the link of this blog in the description. You can practice by yourself. So if you like this video, you can hit like button and subscribe to our channel.